نێکست هەنگاوی داهاتووی تۆیە.
Hello, Dr. Mohammed. It's a really great honor to host you here today in our podcast for Next Step. It's our third year at Next Step, and we are very honored to host you as the president of the International University of Qaiwan. Let's start from your journey coming from all the way from Malaysia, another continent, to Sulaymaniyah. How do you find Sulaymaniyah? Is it like as being for the city of cultural hub of the Kurdistan region, and also the capital of the intellectual for the region? How do you see Sulaymaniyah?
Yes, I arrived here in December last year, 2024, to assume my position as president of Qaiwan International University. This is the third time actually I've been to Sulaymaniyah. Previously I've been twice on short trips when Qaiwan International University was launched in 2018, and also I was involved in the initial discussions on the collaboration between UTM and Qaiwan International University. So since I've stayed here quite some time, almost 9 months now, and I've been around, I must say that this is a great city. I like the people, and I like the environment very much. The people are very nice to outsiders like me, and so far they welcome me very much, and I don't feel homesick at all. You know? So this is great, and of course I've witnessed many things happening in Sulaymaniyah. Like you said, it's a culture hub and so on. But of course I have to see more of the city in order to appreciate further how great the city is. But from what I've seen, it's a great city, great people. I enjoy my stay so far.
You are more than welcome in Sweden. So let's move to next step. I believe that it's your third. I mean, the university have been here for all the 3 years.
6 years. Yeah.
No, I mean participating in the next step.
Sorry? Oh, yeah. Okay.
So Qaiwan, at the beginning of
Yes.
the inaugural of the next step, they were with us and supporting the initiative, and that's really a great step forward from a great university like Qaiwan. We appreciate that. What do you see different from this year and the past year?
I cannot see because this is my first time I participated. But what I've seen so far, this is great. You know, I mean, the way the activities are organized with the booth, you know, and a lot of speaking opportunities for people for the various university representatives to highlight their universities, their strengths and so on. I think whatever an exhibition like this, you know, is the people, is the crowd. And I think you have the crowd. You managed to bring people here, and that's what people want. You know, we don't want if people have they have their booth here. If nobody comes to their booth to ask them questions about the university, I think we have failed. But I think you have been very successful in doing this, and we hope it will grow bigger and bigger every year with new things. And I've seen just now the CEO who highlight the next step, and I see that that's like a plan, you know, to make it into a big exhibition, the biggest in the Middle East, which is, I think, there's a great vision, and we hope this is, you know, not only beneficial, it will be beneficial for everyone, you know, for the parents, for the students, as well as to the universities concerned. So I think it's great. Like as I might mention in during the panel discussion just now, this is we have something similar in Malaysia. Which in Malay means Jom Masuk University, in English roughly translated as let us enter university. So again, like this, booths, you know, a lot of crowds, and we divide into regions because to do one big one for everyone is not easy. So because the country is big, so We do like central region, north region, southern region, also East Malaysia, you know. So like 5 big regions. So
the good news for this year is that we have more participants from outside of the city. So we managed to have hundreds of buses transporting the students for free from different provinces and cities outside of the Suleymaniya city to come to the fair, and that's a really good point.
Yeah, that's great.
So if you go to the everything this year is set up to make the fair to be the student center fee.
Okay.
Everything is for students, especially for the 12th grade students.
Great.
So Qaiwan University, as one of the big universities that are hosting, or the campus can host more than 1,000 students, with 5 different faculties, 9 departments, more than 15 student clubs, providing liberal arts practices to the student life. So what is the most potential for Qaiwan to get it from these kind of next step?
I think this we're expecting to get very good students from this fair, you know, because with good students we will get good graduates, and then those who will easily get jobs or they create jobs. One of our aim is also to not only to just produce graduates, but we want to produce job creators, you know, entrepreneurs, job creators, those who will go out and create jobs for other people, you know. So this is, I mean, we are successful in getting the best candidates to go through our program, and we're very happy about this. And of course, Qaiwan University have big ambitions, you know, because we don't only want to produce good graduates, we want to also go into research and innovation, and probably through fairs like this, we have potential collaborators, you know, people who come and they see what our universities have to offer, and we hope good collaborations will come out from this fair. Yeah.
So is there any good news for the students? Did you offer any specific discount for this year for the students?
For all the programs, I think there's a 10% discount this year. But again, sometimes we also look at case by case, you know. There are people who may have certain difficulty at certain times, so they can apply to the university for further discounts. But one thing we want to highlight is that there are the best students, the best graduates, you know, they have the opportunity to get scholarships to study in Malaysia.
That's perfect.
So far, I think three years graduates have so far took up this program.
That's really good news. And we hope that to make
we hope in future we can increase
more potential students. It was really nice to have you here today on the panel. We had a lot of discussions today, and right now for having us for this podcast, it's really appreciated, and we hope that we see Qaiwan University and yourself next year as well to be with us with more generate offers that you offer every year. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Have a good day.